So we're just going to be talking about bunching the R, the tongue position. And this is a bunched R sound. Um, when we make a retroflex, it's going to be more like this. And when we're bunching it, we just inch it back slightly and then it starts to move up like that. So it could even be higher. Okay. But when we have this area that is carved out above, that's where you make the sound. You notice it's about half of the opening. And I know that's getting a little technical, but as we start to make this R sound, you should hear a vowel. You shouldn't hear a lot of R. You should hear the vowel that precedes it. So that's how we emphasize the word world. We soften the R and we make more of a vowel. World. If we try to say the R, especially flexing it, we get into that around the world problem, right? So we want to keep the shortcut, kind of like the plane on the map that has to go all the way. I don't know why, but the jet stream or something, they go way above where they need to eventually land. We don't need to do that. We can take a short little puddle jump into the destination with this R sound. So keep it soft, keep it short. World, world, war, war, not world war, but world. So it's a very soft R coloration. World War One, World War One, World War One, World War One versus World War One.